How to delete community on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete your community that you have created on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to delete a community that you have created on WhatsApp, all you have to do is go and launch your WhatsApp Messenger application here. Once you launch your WhatsApp Messenger app, you will set this type of interface where what you basically need to do over here is come to the communities tab, select the community that you have created. Then just go ahead and then tap on the three dots icon and go to community settings. Now in case you don't see it in community settings, tap the three dots, go to community info. After you come to community info, scroll down, you'll find the option called deactivate community. Tap on it, and then here you can say groups won't be in this community but will still work as usual, and so on. You can tap on deactivate, tap the deactivate option, and your community will get successfully deleted. This way you can delete a community on WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.